Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds JBL Tune 115. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that you should connect the charging case to the power. And now, if you can see that this LED light is blinking, it means that you connected to the power. After that, press and hold touch control on your right earbud for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Now, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, remove your earbuds from the charging case. And it will enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!